what are your Firegrass here? And today in this video, so we are actually here joined by Snooper. So, basically what we have in store today is a fidget spinner. So, right now, Snoopy is playing a game called Trove. So if you guys have it, friend me on PS4 or Snoopy. Watch. Jeez. Oh jeez. Gosh. I could actually balance it on my thumb though. If somebody would hold the camera for me, of course. I will. Alright, so. Thanks, Snoopy.
Oh, wow.
I think your finger's in the way. Guys, sorry if his finger was in the way. It wasn't really his fault. He just didn't know. Because he's playing the game right now. So we can't really look at it. But yeah, guys, see, it just broke, but don't worry.
Okay, where's my friends?
Fix it.
Oh, my friends.
Yeah, he's playing Trove right now, so he's looking for his friends, basically.
Friends?
I think he's gone on an adventure without you. Oh, jeez.
No,
So,
they're with me.
Yeah,
I just
guys,
have to speed up.
if you guys like fidget spinners, little things, they're like $7 or $6. So
Just for that little thing.
it's got some talents though.
That's true. Oh, hold it!
Alright. So guys, yeah, let's watch. Let's try to watch JJ and Super Trove as I fix this fidget. I could beat that. I could beat all those with my weapons.
Should I take that?
Alright, so guys, I got a fidget spinner, so yeah. Wait a sec before I start holding the camera again.
No, I want my money first. I did all this hard work and I want my money.
You have to kill the boss first.
Where?
You probably are. Somebody got the chest already then. So guys.
Oh no, there's the boss.
Oh wow. See you in the next video. Bye.
No.
Hope you like and subscribe. Hope you comment down in the comment section below
Yes, I got it.
if you love fidget spinners.